All right, this is the play along track for pages 4 and 5 in Essential Elements for violin. So we're starting with number 2, which is Let's Play Open D. So first thing is that you want to get your instrument settled on your shoulder correctly. So remember, we're going to take our instrument to the left side of our body, turn your head to the left, lift your chin, and cover your shoulder with your instrument. Now that we're all set up, we're going to find our good pizzicato posture. So we're going to make a backwards L with our right hand, and you're going to place it on the edge of the fingerboard. So your thumb is right on the edge, and your first finger plucks the string. Here's number 2, Let's Play Open D. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Next is number 3. We're going to go to the A string. So remember, if you do our good dogs always eat, find our A string. Here's A, number 3. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Rest. 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 Now, for number 4, we are alternating between D and A string. So, you want to make sure that you keep your thumb anchored so that you can move easily between the 2 strings. So starting with the D string, so do your good dogs, find that D string. Here we go. Number 4, 2's a team. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Rest. 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 Next one, number 5. So still alternating between open D and open A strings. This one's a little bit more challenging because there's less of a pattern. So you have to really watch the notes so you know which one comes next. Make sure you've still got that really good posture with your chin on the chin rest and your instrument covering your shoulder. Find your really good pizzicato hand on the edge of the fingerboard. Ready, here we go. Rest. Rest. All right, moving right along, we're going on to page 5. So page 5, we're starting with number 6, which is jumping jacks. It's going to look really familiar. It's the same as number 4. What we've added is a double bar line. The double bar line just indicates that it's the end of a piece of music, so that double bar line tells us it's the end of number 6. Here we go on jumping jacks. 1, 2, ready, and go. Rest. Rest. All right, number 7, mix them up. Notice you're alternating between D and A every note. So your finger's going to be going back and forth between the strings. So you want to make sure that you've got that thumb as an anchor so you can keep your finger close and keep it controlled. Here's number 7, mix them up. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Rest. Rest. All right, number 8 is adding a repeat sign at the end. They've also put in your counting for you. So we count our measures as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Since we're playing quarter notes right now, we change notes on the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for the repeat sign, it's the 2 dots at the end of number 8. And it just tells us to go back to the beginning and play that same thing another time. So you're going to play through number 8 a total of 2 times. Here we go, starting with open D, making sure we anchor with our thumb. 1, 2, number 8. Rest, here's A. Rest, here's D. D. Beginning. Rest, here's A. Here is D. A. D. All right, there's number 8. Next, we're looking at number 9. We have a repeat sign again. We also have some dashes down at the bottom. So it says that you can write in the counting before you play. So you're just going to take the counting that's written in at number 8 and you're just going to copy it down to number 9. So you get used to thinking of each beat of the measure and the and that falls in between. Okay, here is number 9, which is the essential elements quiz. And we do have a repeat sign, so twice on this one. Here we go. 1, 2, number 9, and go. Rest, rest, rest. Again. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest. All right, folks, that's it for pages 4 and 5 in Essential Elements. If you need to do any of that again, just rewind it and try it once more. Happy practicing.